Teams. Using Meet Now within Teams. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Meet Now function to start a video meeting with people in a team from within Teams. Once you're in Teams, select the team that you wish to do the meeting in. Once you're in the team, select the channel. In the top right, you'll see a video camera icon. You can click this to start the Meet Now, or click on the drop-down to schedule a meeting. We're going to click on the icon to start a meeting in this channel straight away. This will start an impromptu Meet Now video conference. When you click on Meet Now, Teams will open up another window. You'll be prompted to name the meeting. Let's call this 2023 T4 Week 7. The reason why you might want to rename the meeting is because it makes it easier to search for it later. If you need to, you can adjust your device settings here and then click Join Now. When the meeting starts, you'll be prompted to invite people. You can select one of these options or invite people once you're in the meeting. So now anybody in this team will be able to see there's a meeting in progress and they can click on the Join button. People in a team won't receive an alert or notification that a meeting has started. So you can either send a meeting request to let them know to be in the team at the time, or you can mention everyone to let them know when it's on by typing the @ symbol and the word team. To see other members of the team, click on the people in the top menu bar. I can then prompt other members of the team to join the meeting by hovering over their name and clicking on Request to Join. So now John has joined the meeting. I can use the top menu to turn on and off my camera. I can also mute myself or unmute myself. And I can share my screen. By clicking on the three dots, the ellipses, I can also access more settings. I can change my background by clicking on Effects and Avatars. I can also turn on live captions for myself by clicking into Language and Speech. Note this only turns on live captions for myself, not for everyone in the meeting. From here, I can also record the meeting by clicking on Record and Transcribe, and then start recording. Once I click on Start Recording, everyone in the meeting will get a notification pop up to let them know they're being recorded. This gives people the opportunity to turn off their cameras when they don't want to be recorded or disconnect from the meeting. If I click on the chat icon, I can see any messages associated with this meeting. These will also show up in the channel post after the meeting has ended. Back in People, as well as being able to see who has joined the meeting, as the organiser, I have some extra controls. If I click on John's name, I can mute him. I can also pin him. Pinning means that if I've got more than 4 people in my meeting, I can pin John to my view so that I can always see him. If I want John to be the focus for everyone in the meeting, I can click on Spotlight for everyone. Another option I have is to make John an attendee rather than a presenter. If I make him an attendee, this means that he loses some of the actions that he can take. He won't be able to start or stop a recording or share his screen. So this is particularly useful if you don't want people within your meeting to have control of turning on or off the recording. When you finish the meeting, you can either click on Leave the meeting and the meeting will continue without you, or click the drop down next to the meeting and click End Meeting. This will kick everyone out of the meeting. Once the meeting has finished, we can see the meeting details by clicking into the meeting post. We can also access the transcript and the recording if the meeting was recorded. Because this meeting took place within a team, I can also access the recording from the file section of the channel where the meeting took place. It's in a folder which Microsoft will create called Recordings.